Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you 10 Windows keyboard shortcuts that can save you a lot of time if you use a computer every day. These shortcuts will make your work faster, easier, and smarter. So let's get started. Shortcut 1. If you want to see your desktop instantly, press Windows plus D. Everything disappears and your desktop shows up immediately. Have too many windows open? Just press Windows plus D again and everything comes back. Simple and very useful. Shortcut 2. Now, imagine you have many apps open and you want to switch between them quickly. Just press Alt plus Tab. Hold the Alt key and tap Tab. You can move between all your open apps in just 1 second. Shortcut 3. Now, let's say you want to find something quickly. Maybe an app, a file, or a setting. Just press Windows plus S. A search bar appears and you can type anything. Windows will find it for you almost instantly. Shortcut 4. Sometimes your computer freezes or an app stops responding. Instead of restarting everything, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. This opens the Task Manager immediately. From here, you can close the problem app and keep working. Shortcut 5. Now let's take a screenshot. Press Windows plus Shift plus S. Your screen becomes a little darker. Now you can drag your mouse and capture exactly the part you want. It copies the image, so you can paste it anywhere. Shortcut 6. If you want to open Windows settings quickly, press Windows plus I. The settings window appears right away. No searching, no clicking around, just one shortcut. Shortcut 7. Next, if you want to work with two windows side by side, press Windows plus left arrow or Windows plus right arrow. Your window will snap to that side of the screen. This is perfect for multitasking, like watching a video while taking notes. Shortcut 8. Now imagine you need to leave your computer for a moment. You don't want anyone touching your files. Just press Windows plus L. Your computer locks instantly. Safe, simple, and secure. Shortcut 9. Sometimes your desktop becomes too crowded. Too many apps. Too many windows. Press Windows plus Ctrl plus D. This creates a new virtual desktop. Now you have a fresh space to work. Shortcut 10. And finally, a very famous shortcut. If you want to close an app quickly, press Alt plus F4. The active window closes instantly. Just remember, always save your work first. And that's it. 10 Windows keyboard shortcuts you'll love. Try them today, and you'll notice how much faster your work becomes. If you learned something new, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.